guys, so the next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Naked Brand, or ticker symbol NAKD. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in, our support and resistance lines, our targets, our exits, our entries, all that good stuff. Okay, so the market is closed today. It is Monday, so everything that you see from the aftermarket and what we closed was from Friday, so this will all be applied for tomorrow. Okay, so yes, on Friday we closed at nearly 8%, and then after hours we pulled down nearly almost 2%. Okay, so this top line represents our major resistance line. This is the area we had trouble breaking past. So you can see back here, over here, over here, and over here. Ultimately, once we got over here, it pushed us all the way down to our major support line down here. We look left, like Beyonce says, it used to work as resistance before creating this breakout and pumping up over here. And then you can see clearly it was working as resistance over here, coming up and coming back underneath this resistance. So now you guys can see that these are heavily tested areas. All right, so let's get into where we're at currently. You can see on the RSI we are kind of a little bit overextended, which is fine. You know, what we're looking for is this to pull back down to our major support line at the 57-cent area. This would be a healthy 50% retracement that we want to see. You can see after breaking underneath this resistance, we had trouble breaking past this area and holding. You can see that we came back and created this breakout over here, but ultimately pulled back under, came back up, and we came and rested on the support and gapped up into this minor resistance. We look left, we have all these candlesticks to work as resistance, and now we're going to be pulling back down to the 57-cent area, or that's what we would actually like to see for the best opportunity. So what this would do is it would create this higher low that we want to see. It would retest our support line. It would further confirm that buyers are stepping up. We would still be above the trend line. So even though as of right now we are above the trend line, we want to see us at least to stay above that trend line. However, on the RSI, like I said, we are a bit overextended, and we just want to see this to create that higher low and to retest this 57-cent area. So getting in right now would be kind of aggressive, especially you can see that this bottoming tail that formed over that day, you guys, and it looks like we are starting to pull back down to the area. We can go to the 1 hour chart and have a more accurate look, and you can clearly see that we're creating these lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and are pulling back down to this level of support at 57 cents. Okay, and so if we can pull back down to this area, have your stop loss maybe underneath these previous candlesticks under the support at the 54-cent area, or you can have it a little bit tighter at the 56-cent area. Okay, so if we do break back below, we will be able to get tagged out and wait for a better entry. But if we hold, then we can sit there and ride the momentum back up to our previous highest point. And let me go back down to the daily. So you can have your first target maybe around the 90-cent area, and then your second target being all the way back up at the highest previous point at the $1.40. Okay, but overall, you guys, it's starting to look good. We're breaking above this resistance. We just want to see this hold at the support level, and if we break back below, then obviously that relative strength is not going to be there. So all we can do is just be patient and wait for tomorrow to see if we start pulling back down to that level. All right, so those are the best ideal entries that I can give you guys today. If I made this fast and efficiently for you guys, and if you learned anything, please, it means the world to me if you could hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday. Okay, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and a great day for tomorrow.